Hey everybody, it's 1:15 and 21 seconds on January 9th. This is the final mini for the Swamp Thing number 1, graded 9.0. Over here are the 15 filled spots. In this mini, whoever comes in first place gets the first 9 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second gets the next 5 open. Whoever comes in third gets the final spot. People with multiple spots could come in multiple places. That goes without saying, but I'll say it anyway. So the number is 12. Going to randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list gets the first 9. Second place gets the next 5. Third place gets the final spot. Best of luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here comes the final one. 12. Shane Hansen, Ken DeMarco, Jesse Sippler in that order. Time is 1:16 and 20.